Why am I screen turn black?
Okay, so listen up, folks. Finally works. So basically, here's our margin off to the left. And I've determined that it's probably in this if statement that my problem is going to be. This is a very simple program. All it does, I think I showed it to you. This one was fun I did for you guys. Where basically, if you enter a number between 0 and 1,000,000, if it's greater than a certain number, it's going to say it's big. Otherwise, it says it's little. And let's say that I've got a condition where it's always saying it's big. So what I know is that it's probably somewhere in this if statement that my problem is. And I'm looking at the condition statement and say if x is greater than or equal to 1,000, it should be big. So let's say that for some reason I know somewhere in here it's not working. So probably what I want to do, when I set a breakpoint, if I click on this part of the margin, see my little stop sign comes up, it will stop the program.
These are on.
You know what, I'm just going to keep going and then you can watch it on YouTube. So I've set up a breakpoint and basically it is going to stop executing at the line before it executes that line where the breakpoint is set. So now if I run the program, new conditional, click on OK, I enter a number, and it comes up with this little window that has the value of all of my variables. Let me just expand this out. And sometimes if you don't see them, it helps if you, it helps if you expand your windows so that you get a clear view of all of the variables. In this case, guys, don't talk, please. In this case, I can see that my x has a value of 1,000, and now I can step into my program. So if I click on the step button, it is going to step into the program, and I'll see that it did a comparison of 50,000 to 1,000, and it prints out this number is big. I click on step, and it shows that it skipped over my else statement. And I can just keep clicking step until the program ends. So that's the approach you should be taking. You should be using breakpoints to A, take a look at the value of all your variables, and B, to see where the program, what lines of the code are actually being executed.